All right, 4th of July is around the corner. You're going to be setting off fireworks. That's a good thing, but it can also be a dangerous thing. So, hey everybody, Tim Weigel here with Watson Realty. I'm going to give you a couple tips for setting off fireworks. And I can say that these aren't things that I've experienced personally, but yeah, they might be things that I've actually experienced personally. And you know, lesson learned, thankfully, in my younger age. So, first off, when you're setting off the fireworks, make sure anyone that's watching has the wind at their back and they're not downwind from the fireworks. Because what could happen is the wind could blow the fireworks towards your audience of spectators in your backyard fireworks show. And I'm not going to say they're not going to like it, but chances are they're probably not going to like it. You might think it's funny initially, but get yelled at and they're not going to be very happy. The next thing is, it is not recommended lighting them off in your hand. You know, it might sound fun to light off, time it, throw it, things like that. Hold one out of a tube in your hand. All fun and games until someone gets a 3rd degree or 1st degree burn from it, which is very painful for multiple days and blistering. Just saying. Thank you to those out there that let one go off near my hand and didn't tell me because my face was away from it and I wasn't looking. Also, make sure the stands are secure. So if you're lighting off mortars or anything like that, make sure it's on a secure, even ground. Because sometimes when you're lighting it, you might have tipped it over on accident. And if you tipped it over and it's aimed at the crowd, you're now shooting mortars into the crowd. Not a fun place to be, especially if you're in that audience. So also be patient. A lot of the time, some of the mishaps is you're rushing, but the fuses on them, for the most part, they don't go that fast all the time. They're a little bit longer for a reason. So stay focused on it so that you don't make those mistakes. And most importantly, when lighting off fireworks, have fun. You know, it's the 4th of July. We're celebrating our freedom. We're celebrating what it's like to be out there. You know, we work hard every day during the week. And the reason we do that is for these type of freedoms. So have fun, you know, enjoy your time. Now, if you want, tell me some of your favorite fireworks stories. I'd love to hear them. Tell me anything you'd like. Maybe you have some tips that you've learned from experiences like I have. If not, subscribe to my channel. The button's around here somewhere, maybe like right here. And I'll talk to you guys later.